In this video we are going to look at the top 5 best robot vacuum cleaner available on the market every day. We made this list based on our own opinion, research and custom reviews. We have considered the quality, features and values. We focused on lower to mid-price options from brands you can purchase directly online, though we did include a couple of recommendations for more expensive vacuum cleaner that our team of robot vacuum cleaner testers loved. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. Keeping floors clean is a never-ending challenge, but promptly nabbing tracked in dirt, crumbs, shedding pet hair and more makes a huge difference in how clean your home looks and feels. But who has time to constantly pull out the vacuum or broom? Let a robot vacuum do the job for you. While robot vacuums won't totally make manual floor cleaning a thing of the past, they can make it something you need to do less often. Robot vacuums are impressive devices that will clean your floors well without complaining much. As prices have dropped, these busy little bots have become less of a luxury and more of a necessity. They can reach places most stand-up vacs never see, under beds and sofas, and, thanks to better batteries and robot brains, rarely get tired of cleaning. The best robot vacuums will skillfully and thoroughly clean your floors with little or no effort from you. We tested 9 robot vacuum cleaners to see which one is best at navigating a home, picking up dirt and simplifying your life. Best robot vacuum cleaner. You'll also benefit from charging stations that can hold several weeks of dust before needing to be emptied, automatic water changes for mops, and self-cleaning functionality. The best robot vacuums make it easy to forget they exist. After letting them map your home, they'll be able to go weeks without any manual input. And whether you're living in a massive house or tiny studio, they're a great way to free up your schedule. So here are top 5 best robot vacuum cleaner.
At number 5. Sold. Reviews. Rating. Extra % off. Price can be changed at any time. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get more videos. At number 4. Sold. Reviews. Rating. Extra % off. Price. If you want more information about this product, please check description box link below. At number 3. Sold. Reviews. Rating. Extra % off. Price can be changed at any time. At number 2. Sold. Reviews. Rating. Extra % off. Price. At number 1. Sold. Reviews. Rating. Extra % off. Price. If you want to buy this product, Please check description box. Thanks for watching and see you again for new videos.